welcome to another great video provided by FTC4 Production. As usual, FTC4 Production is not being sponsored by anybody in order to bring you this magnificent intel to your doorstep for you to make money. This is for free and voluntary from my end to provide back to the community. Only, nothing else. We only benefit from YouTube advertisements, and YouTube offers nothing else. This is all for entertainment purposes, and all the intel providing in here is out there for free. Just many of us might not actually get to reach them on time, so I share it in here in a better way to get access to them. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce you a way that you can make money. Get some coins available by you taking some lessons. But it's something you have to understand. It's not just about qualification. You have to score a perfect 100% to earn crypto for free. Besides, there may be a specific task associated with your course. There are a few countries that cannot be participating on these. You have to check them out. I'm gonna leave your URL down below so you can actually check them out. And bear in mind, this program functions on a first come first serve basis. So the candidates will only receive the tokens until the pre-decided distribution amount dries up. So this campaign will end in 17 days. So you better get started. How to Web3 on BNB chain. With the blockchain technology, the trend is migrating from Web 2 to Web 3. Let's get started. Lesson number 1. How to create and claim a Galaxy OAT. Project Galaxy is the largest Web 3 credential data network in the world. Built on open and collaborative infrastructure, Project Galaxy helps developers and organizations leverage NFTs and digital credential data to build better products and communities in Web3. Learn more. You see the quiz right here, right to the right side. You take the quiz and earn BNB chain tokens. Make sure to take the lessons above first. This is the lesson right here. Gotta know all this. How to claim the OAT NFT. You gotta do all this. Connect your wallet if you're eligible to claim OAT. The credentials section under the who is eligible box will be green. If you're not eligible, the section will be blue. Do I have to have an OAT NFT in order to receive the additional rewards? The reward will be distributed by 9 projects respectively after the campaign ends. Each OAT from 9 partners will unlock the rewards in a total of $180,000 prize pool provided by the respective projects. Hold OATs on June 10, 2022 AM, 9 AM UTC snapshot time as the entry to receive the reward. Again, this is just one lesson, and this is everything that you need to read and how to learn it. Okay, then you go here and take the quiz. Simple as that. See? Lesson number 1. Lesson number 2, how to navigate a multi-chain future in Web 3. Sealer Bridge is a decentralized non-custodial asset bridge that supports secure, fast, and low-cost transfer for over 70 tokens across more than 20 blockchain and layer 2 rollups. How does an average person work around the barriers of communicating and interacting with different blockchains while being able to leverage their respective benefits and solutions? Sealer Bridge is the answer. You go here, you can actually either watch this video to learn more and read all this. See? It's tough because for you to actually get paid, you gotta get 100%. So I recommend you to watch the video first, take notes, and voila. When you go and take the quiz, take you all the way here. Right here, please take the how to Web3 on B-Chain lesson before completing the quiz. These are 37 questions and you start. Obviously I'm not gonna do it because I have no idea, but you gotta actually hit. These are the crypto projects. Reward budget total so far, so you're not there yet, you still have time. Reward budget individual is $50, guys. Not bad, right? Alright. These are all the lessons right here. Obviously I'm not gonna read them all because I don't want to fill you up with too much intel and get you bored. The idea of making this video is making it short as possible, and not to feed you all with too much intel. Look at that metaverse, a whole new world. I love this topic. Even for me to get to know more about it, I will do it for free this one. I probably would jump to lesson number 7 and get this nut going and get some coins. But I guess you gotta do them all of them to get more. Second Life is a diversified social metaverse focused on building social networks and supporting creator economic activities. We focus on facilitating self-expression, social connection, and wealth accumulation, integrating open data protocols on chains to show the result as is needed. Alright. Anyways, there you go. Frequently asked questions. You do this normally, you CoinMarketCap earn. Forgot to mention that. These are the who can participate. How do I earn tokens? I find that the value of my earned token fluctuates. Why? The amount of cryptocurrency you earn for successfully finishing a given module of CoinMarketCap earn program is based on the applicable exchange rate at the date of the commencement of the future period. Therefore, the dollar value of the token you will receive can fluctuate as the price of the cryptocurrency changes, which is going to happen all the time. So don't get surprised by that. But I just wanted to share all these. I hope you liked the video. Gonna leave it up to this point. The URL I'm gonna leave it down below as usual, of course, so you can come here on your own pace, speed, and check it out on your own. Good luck on your journey. Really wish you the best.